What's up guys, कैसे हो? Hope everyone is doing great. Early in the morning 7:15. I'm hitting the gym right now because yesterday पूरा खाना खाना हुआ, but I did not work out anything. Gym. Okay. And I'm feeling a little bit guilty, so I thought let's get up jolly before everyone gets up and go get some pump. Oh shit, तो reduce हो गया यार. Got a very good workout, almost 25 minutes of strength training and half an hour of running. Okay, bye bye Amritsar, Tata Birla. Leaving Amritsar now. Time and what is the time? I think it's around 10:15 or something. Exactly on time today. This is the first time, do you realize this is the first time we're going before time? We thought we'll leave at 11 o'clock, abhi 10:15, 10:20. Indians will start by 10:45. Hopefully. The others went to eat breakfast. Both of us are done with breakfast. Today's plan is to ride to, actually from here the beauty starts. We're going to Dharamshala today.
It's not as cold as, it's not colder than Amritsar.
Actually, yeah. Amritsar and Dharamshala both are same temperature. We expected that to be more chilly, but it's not. You see, this is special for us. Rider 1, Rider 2. Exactly, Rider in the class are 2. Why is it written Rider? You can say person 1, person 2, right? Social distancing के लिए.
Lift together, moving now. You're riding the lift.
Abo. Chalo, leaving now from Amritsar. Almost all bikes are here. We're all ready. Got it out of the parking lot. Chain loop, wheel loop, सब हो गया रात में only. We're going to a place called Camp. Yeah, we're not checking into a hotel. We're going to a camp called Camp Indrunag Dharamshala. 4 hours 17 minutes. Once again ET has increased. That is because of the traffic right now. Time is exactly 10:45. 204 kilometers, 4 hours 20 minutes. From here onwards we cannot race Google's time. Reason being, with this we're gonna have like proper guts. Not proper guts, actually it's so straight road. I don't want straight road. Hyderabad se pura straight karke aa raha. So simple, Amritsar to Bathala, then Pathankot se right, and then Dharamshala. First plan was to go to Dalhousie, but then somehow my friends wanted to do Dharamshala. I'm okay with anything as long as I'm riding. Dalhousie is a little bit towards the north. That is like proper ghat road. You see that yellow line? A lot of ghats. McLeodganj. This is the first time I'm gonna ride there. Super exciting to do that. Luggage is yet to come. Once it comes, let's load the bike and get out of here. There comes our heavy luggage. And literally 12 boxes. Thank you. Yeah, that one, that box.
Last big
the
one.
First big. I thought we were going to start early. That didn't happen as usual. That's okay, but 10 minutes late only. We had to start at 11. 12 minutes late is still fine. 1 or 2 hours late is not happening. Camp Indrunag Dharamshala. Let's hit it. Oh shit. Earplugs on, balaclava on, helmet on, gloves on, glares on, D-ring, yes, check. Because once we start, just because I did not put my D-ring or something, we'll have to stop. Again, time waste. Phone, wallet, camera, laptop, most important stuff, everything is there. Let's reset the trip. Abhi trip 0 kar diya. From here to Dharamshala should be 205 kilometers. Let's see. हमारे पास हाफ टैंक है. अरे लेफ्ट लो ఉంది. This is nice, dude. Hotel in the middle, left में mall and right में petrol bunk. Everything is side by side. Whatever this Kaman is, it looks beautiful, huge, and Tiger ka horn is working perfectly. Actually in this trip it is working almost like 95% of the time. Batala, yes, we need to go left. Jalandhar jana hai to straight. Last time when we came to Ladakh, we were in Jalandhar for a night, and then from Jalandhar to Where did we go, yeah? Udhampur, yes. Those memories, those days, amazing. No worries, we'll do it again soon. I think this year, I'm not sure. If everyone gets leave, then we'll definitely do Ladakh. Not Ladakh this time, there's another location in mind actually. We'll be doing that. After filling the petrol, there was a little bit of a traffic jam. Yeah, always getting out of the city, especially after 9 o'clock and all. It's gonna be a little bit tough. Abhi to 11:40 हुआ, temperature is super pleasant. How much is it? 25 degrees, amazing. Like 11:30, 11:40, almost 12 o'clock, mid-afternoon. If it is like 25 degrees, imagine it's gonna be like this. Then subah Amritsar mein, it was a crazy 10 degrees, dude. Clear skies, cool weather, black tar roads, green surroundings, amazing, amazing, amazing. Namaste Varna, ఎట్లు నువ్వు కానీ మనంత తెల్ల ఉండదు. ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాపర్ సన్ బూస్ట్ ఆరెంజ్ which has been discontinued, and that is the reason we have a unique piece. Orange Varna Zindabad. "35 kilometers. There is the board, Wagah border. We have to go left now, Pathankot. Seriously, man, I'm so disappointed. We came all the way from Hyderabad on a two-wheeler, but we cannot see Wagah border. It's shut. Iconic, historic. I had so many dreams to see it. This time, nahi ho paya, but that's okay. That's not the end. Someday, once again, let's be positive, dude. Once again, I'll come someday. Only thing is, it would be so amazing if I could cover that as well in this trip. Water ring. अरे वाह, MotoGP स्टाइल का रिंग. Such a contrast, yaar. Like Rajasthan was all brown, like proper mitti bhi nahi, proper sand. I don't know what is sand. Reth. And once you enter Punjab, it's all green. 105 kilometers, it's gonna be like this till Pathankot. Like proper 4-lane. I'm not sure that's what the map showed, but yeah, I can see quite some traffic. Pathankot se I think we're gonna have single lane. 110 kilometers done. Right, Pathankot. Uncle 270 speed lo sun chushi. Yeah. Cabbage. I'm not sure, but I think we entered Himachal Pradesh. I'm not sure because I can see a lot of HP vehicles. Himachal Pradesh registration. Actually, we stopped here because first we went over this. We should take a left here. And then we went bahut aage jaake took a U-turn and came back almost 3 kilometers of deviation. Abhi to I think we are going in the right direction, and look at the scenery. Suddenly changed completely. Yeah, we're gonna have some ghats and stuff. That's gonna be amazing. Idhar se pura single lane hoga. 90 kilometers left, and that's gonna take 2 hours. So average speed is gonna be around 45 kilometers an hour, which shows either roads are bad, or it's a completely single lane, or maybe there is like a lot of traffic, or there are a lot of guts. As per my experience, these 4 points count. Careful. Open. अरे इकड़ो फिरंगी दाबा లోపలికి పోవచ్చు. ఇదేదో ఫోర్ట్ లాగా ఉంది. ఓపెన్ హే కులా హే. అరే ఉందిరా, చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది ఇది. లుక్స్ గుడ్. Okay, till here pace was really good. We found a very nice place here. I think around 10 or 15 kilometers from Pathankot. There's a place called Firangi Dhaba. Looks very nice. That's all happy hours and all that. Obviously we're not going to have all this, but another 1 hour 55 minutes left. 71 kilometers to Dharamshala. 1 hour 54 minutes. Let's put car mode. Actually, this is one thing, you have to put it in car mode, because if you put it in bike mode, sometimes it might take you through shortcuts which you might not like. Let's have some lunch here and get out. Took a proper 2 hour break here, maybe 3:15. ఈడెందుకు కాల్ చేసింది నాకు? ఓహో, ఐ వాజ్ స్లీపింగ్, వాంటెడ్లీ యూ వాంట్ టు వేక్ మీ అప్, సృజన్ కాల్ మీ, మిస్డ్ కాల్ ఇయ్యా మీకు. ఫస్ట్ హీ కాల్ మీ, ఇట్ వాజ్ ఆన్ సైలెంట్, అగైన్ హీ పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ రింగ్ అండ్ కాల్ మీ. కాదు, నేను పడుకున్నాను నన్ను లేపడానికి. వెరీ గుడ్ ప్లేస్, ఐ థింక్ ఐల్ గివ్ ఇట్ 8 out of 10. ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ a little bit sleepy actually. I sat and took a quick power nap. ఆడు తీసేయచ్చు. ఆ గేట్ కీపర్ గాడు గేట్ అడ్డం పెట్టిండు, తీరా గేట్ని. अरे क्या स्लीपी था सीरियसली. आई वाज सो डैम स्लीपी डूड. आई डोंट नो, एक्चुअली आई स्लेप्ट फॉर प्रॉपर 7 hours in the night. 12 o'clock को सो गया and got up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Proper 7 hours deep sleep. It's not safe to ride when you're a little bit sleepy. Even if you feel a little bit sleepy, I would suggest stop by the side, take a power nap, find a dhaba or a petrol bunk, a safe place, and take a quick power nap. You'll be fresh again. Don't risk, don't ride when you're feeling sleepy. Never do that. బొంగులోది ఇప్పుడు అనేది తీసి పెట్టినాక చలో. బ్యాటరీ ఉంది ఫుల్. స్టూపిడ్ గోపురో. I had to remove the battery, reset it again. We already entered Himachal, I guess. There were some beautiful scenic places which I wanted to capture. So at least it's working after I removed the battery and put it back. And you can see the cart roads have started. Actually, they started like from the lunch place itself. The typical beautiful Himachal. Seriously, Srimanth, within 2 months been literally within a span of 30-40 days, you rode all the way from Hyderabad to north again. Again to all these locations. First week I was in Uttarakhand, something similar. Again I started riding from Hyderabad to Amritsar, and today at Himachal. Awesome, right? Actually thoda zyada ho gaya riding this time. Last 6 months, every single month I had one trip. Definitely had a lot of fun. No second thoughts about that. That will be summer era, so I think we'll have to do some car trips now instead of bike trips. Yeah. Trips are gonna continue. We're not gonna stop doing trips because I enjoy that. But summer it gets really irritating to ride bikes for sure. 43-44 degrees it's not that great. It's not fun. I think another 50 or 45 kilometers left to reach our destination, McLeodganj, that is Dharamshala. Funny thing is, the pioneers came so late, right? The moment they came, the pioneers just came, and within 10 days span, again I had to pack them for this trip. 24.5 degrees. Yes, I can feel that. Oh shit. Oh. Beautiful view. Unfortunately, this will not be captured on the GoPro. I mean, it will be captured, but GoPro can never do justice to this view. And we are in Dharamshala. Yeah, giving us proper Sikkim feels. Discipline. Driving discipline. Sunglasses తీయాలరా బుజ్జే, అంత చీకటి ఉంది. ఓ రైట్ చూడు. Okay, reached Dharamshala. Ikkada kuda tents. Here also we're staying in a proper camp. There's a place called Indranath Camp Dharamshala, something like that. Same tent like Bikaner. Exactly same tent like Bikaner. A little bit better than that. A little bit bigger as well. Only concern is maybe it will get really cold in the night. This is a washroom. Works. All this is still okay, but the view is next level. Let me look at it. Best part is you can see snow caps there. You see that? That is the snow caps. During December, there is snowfall here, like proper white Canada style. Okay, we booked 3 tents here. That is one. This one is one, and this is the other. And best part is one more best part. We have signal here itself, tower. So I think we're getting good signal. I'm getting like 15 Mbps, which is great. Jio mein. He's getting 2 Mbps download speed Airtel mein, and upload speed is getting good. Like around 10 Mbps,
So
6
if you want
Mbps.
to upload, use Airtel, download Jio.
Let's go have some chai first. Look at all this mess once again. 12 dabba. 5 3s are 12. Good to betko. Unfortunately, chai is served only up. We can't get it to the room, it seems. It's really funny. Ate vastunam ra. Small correction. They will give you chai to the room. This fellow wanted us to come here, so he said they'll not serve chai in the room. We have to come here and take it.
Just like that.
But thanks. Good job.
ఇంకా డబుల్ చెప్తాడు.
Peace. Rear tire lo malli problem undi. Again हमारा Suzuki bike में rear tire में once again there is 17. इसके ऐप में it is showing. I think your app is wrong, dude. 150,000 पाए. ముఖం చూడు క్యూట్ గా బాధపడుతున్నాడు.
అరే చుట్టూ బిర్యానీ కుండ పైన వేస్తారు చూడు, అదే
హండి అయ్యరా రిమ్మకి హండి అయ్యి.
Actually,
యాక్చువల్లీ సీల్ యువర్ టైర్ విత్ క్లే. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, ద దరిద్రం ఇస్ ఇన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, నాట్ ఇన్ యువర్ బైక్. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ దట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ కమ్ టు రిసార్ట్, అ క్యాంప్ ఆర్ అ హోటల్, టైర్ పంక్చర్.
మళ్ళీ యాప్ ప్రకారంగా 17 దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతుంది. అదేంటో అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
17 ఇంచ్ కదా.
వెనకాల 18
ఓ అవునా, అయితే 18 ఉండాలి. చూసుకో తప్పు. And we just realized that it's gonna get really really cold here. For now it is around, I think 13-14 degrees.
9 degrees.
Now
20 degrees.
20, yeah. This is not 20, dude. But tomorrow night is gonna go to 4 degrees. The thing is, there's no heater in the room.
లేదా?
There's no heater, dude. ఇది కాదు కదా. అబ్బా,
నిందాకే చెప్దాం.
and as the sun is going down, it's getting more and more beautiful. Tomorrow one day we're gonna stay here. 2 nights. No, we're gonna stay here for 2 nights. Third day we're gonna go to Delhi. I think that's gonna be our last leg of this whole trip. Okay, ignore the room. This is how it's gonna be anywhere we go. But oh yes, back to basics. I'm wearing my Triumph gloves once again because it is so cold, dude. I think it's around 7 or 8 degrees right now in this particular place. Tent mate is still okay, but outside is like very very cold. Let's go have some dinner. Oh, nice chill music with that kind of view. They put some nice bonfire for us. Look at Suju. Suju, how cold is it?
That cold.
Do you think you need all this? He's wearing a leather jacket. Inside there's one more jacket. And then he's wearing gloves.
దాని లోపల టీ షర్ట్ ఉంది.
4 layers of clothing, very important. This feels good. It reminds me of Nainital.
కూర్చోడాకే పోయింది.
ఫోటో తీసి పంపరా.
How's the cold, Rochi? Did you experience this kind of cool weather before? You did? Where?
US.
Oh, much paid. US killing it. A Canadian.
Hey, what's up?
It's too hot, huh? First he said I'll wear shorts. I'm a Canadian.
కెనడియన్ నేను అవన్నీ చెప్పుకోలే.
I'm used to this అన్నాడు. గంటలో జీన్స్ వేసుకొచ్చాడు. నాకు కూడా చెప్తాడు. He's telling me also, hey, wear jeans will be hot అని. దాంట్లో సాక్స్ వేసుకొచ్చాడు.
అరే మీరందరూ సాక్స్లు
షూస్ కూడా వేసాడు ఇందాక. వీడు వీలైతే దాంట్లో కూర్చున్నట్టు ఉన్నాడు.